Hey everyone, welcome back to Raminmark. If you're looking for the perfect beard trimmer that does it all, from shaping your beard to trimming your nose and ear hair, then stay tuned. Today, I'll be reviewing the Brightup Beard Trimmer for Men, an electric razor and grooming kit that promises precision, power, and performance. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First things first, let's see what's inside the box. Right away, we get a sleek, modern design trimmer with a solid grip, plus several attachments: a precision trimmer, a nose and ear hair trimmer, different comb guards, and even a detail shaver. And guess what? It's IPX7 Waterproof, so you can easily use it in the shower. That's a game changer. Look at this. Fully waterproof, no worries about cleaning it under running water. The stainless steel blades are sharp yet safe, giving you a clean trim without irritation. The grip feels ergonomic, and the cordless design means complete freedom while trimming. Plus, it comes with a USB charging feature, making it super convenient. No more worrying about running out of battery mid-trim. Now let's put this trimmer to the real test. I have medium-length stubble, and I want to see how evenly it trims. The powerful motor and sharp blades make the process smooth, no pulling or snagging at all. You can see the difference. Super clean and precise. It's also great for styling sideburns, mustaches, and even detailing edges for a sharp, professional look. One of my favorite features is the nose and ear trimmer attachment. Let's be honest, no one likes unwanted hair in those areas. And this makes it effortless. No pain, no pulling, just clean results. It's truly an all-in-one grooming kit, making it a perfect gift for men, whether it's for Father's Day, birthdays, or just a self-care upgrade. Pros: powerful motor for a smooth, snag-free trim. Cordless and USB rechargeable, perfect for travel. IPX7 waterproof, use in the shower, and easy to clean. Multiple attachments for full body grooming. Sharp, stainless steel blades that last long. Cons: it can be a bit noisy at high power settings. A full charge takes about 1.5 hours, not bad, but something to keep in mind. If you want to check it out, I've left a link in the description where you can grab yours. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome product reviews. See you in the next one.